Number 4 from Senegal, Africa, Papa Kote. Round of applause, yo, round of applause, man. Oh, don't frown, man. Come tell us a little bit of your story, man. Your basketball journey, man. Nothing but the whole truth, man. I hate it sitting up the academy, but she damn right never let the freshman take your spot. That boy didn't even put up a fight with me, and they put him on a pedestal over a senior. Sorry, young fella, nothing personal. Maybe that's the reason why my man told me to bounce in another language. I came off the bench for a CP my freshman year. Meanwhile, I got an offer from Morgan State University in between times. Global challenge game against Beasley, Curry and them Africa. This USA, the team got beaten, but there is no I in team. But I did my thing right after that. 2007 Senegal national team pro solution. I show what I could accomplish against Belgium, Puerto Rico, etc. in Dallas. They wanted me to betray Carl Arbor State College and coach by taking me to Arizona, but I show loyalty. Still was cut short from the 12 who went to Angola. Nothing was given to me. I really went through it, still going through it. Nothing was given to me. I really went through it, still going through it. Nothing was given to me. I really went through it, still going through it. Nothing was given to me. I really went through it, still going through it. The next year the game was fair, started all games and we took the team to the semi-final. Great year, felt that I got my groove on and mojo back. Receive letters from few D1s and D2s and the NIAs. Nobody's really took action though. Stayed all summer without a sweat, smoking, fucking discouraged until I hear ding ding from Ghana University for a tryout. Excited but knew I was in trouble because I was out the ship. Great student of the school of no pain, no gain, and practice makes perfect. So I knew better, but I believed that everything was possible when the big bro started the car direction to gain on from Pittsburgh. Butterflies in my stomach throughout the journey. Knew I was not going to do shit. That's what happened. Thought I was Superman, man. They called for another way, much a school visit with Subway after an official visit and a tryout game. Fuck that, let's move on. San Diego, here I come. Commitment and letter of intent. Excited and anxious when Senegal national team could represent the nation in 2009 in African Championship. They got a great coach, shit, I'm a good player. The connection should be easy, not what I find out. Practice right after the airplane. My was in I did alright in Italy against the host Sweden and Czech Republic. Was in the last 16, but they didn't make the last words again. As usual, the victory of the players. R.I.P. Mustafa Nyang.